Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. I've got the Sharp by Design, Brian Nadeau, Evo Typhoon right over here for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. Would you look at this sexy dressed knife? This is Tuxedo, Sharp by Design, Brian Nadeau, of course. Evo Typhoon, look at this guy over here. Just an amazing one. Overall length of this guy is gonna be around 8.3 inches overall, with a blade length of overall, like you see, it looks like 4 inches up to the flipper tab, but cutting edge is going to be 3.5 inch long, with a overall length of the handle of about 4.6 inches. So it's not too big, it's not too small, it's like a medium size, but it's just a fantastic one. It's a titanium frame lock, black, with this black finish, just elegantly matching with the white carbon fiber right over here, guys. This is a fantastic combo, super well done. Fit and finish is just stellar. Riyadh is doing some amazing work on this one. Really cool. Look at this harpoon, compound grind, fuller, you got a hole, you got some chamfering, dual tone finish. This is directional satin and kind of like a vapor blast inside the fuller. Fantastic jimping. I mean, guys, this is a stellarly made knife. Deep carry pocket clip, titanium with the hand rub satin matching the blade, with the fake false faux integral look. This is not an integral, it looks integral, but it's these are actually two scales. You can see the seam right over here. It's very simple construction, 2 screws, one here. I mean, very straightforward disassembly on this one. Sound, beautiful. I love the closing sound on this one. The opening sound, yeah, it's nice too, but the closing sound, oof, it's fantastic. Let's just quickly check the weight on this bad boy, because this is a nice one, guys. It's not that small, that light, because there's no internal skeletonization. In fact, this guy is going to be weighing in at 4.26 ounces, but not that much. I mean, it's not too crazy. It's a fantastic one. It feels great in the hand, zero hot spots. It's the action, I mean, guys, oof, it's just gorgeous. So I mean, just let me know what you think in the comments, but if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.